the wonderful human brain diagram and anatomy I'm going to show in this video to you. This is the compartmentalization of the brain. This is the frontal area, this is the temporal connected to the ear, this is the occipital where the eyes connect, and this is providing the extra space, the cerebellum. And this is the parietal region where complex मोटर स्ट्रक्चर्स आर प्रेजेंट. यहाँ कनेक्शंस होते हैं ब्रेन में जहाँ स्पीकिंग, लिसनिंग एंड ऑल अदर कम्प्लेक्स एक्टिविटीज़ लाइक मेमोराइजिंग और प्रोसेसिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन, ऐसे ऐसे काम यहाँ होते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ this is the hypothalamus, this is the midbrain, this is the outer layer, the cranium, and this, as I told you, is the forebrain, this is cerebrum, and this is the spinal cord. These three parts make up the hindbrain, that is the pons, medulla, and this is the cerebellum, which provides extra space for the nuclei. This is the pituitary gland, which has the major role in brain functions and endocrine system. Now this is the cortex region, the outer cortex. ठीक है. Then this is the corpus callosum. It has horizontal fibers like this, and it connects both the hemispheres of the brain, which are divided by a deep longitudinal fissure. Then this lower part is the limbic system, amygdala, endocrine cortex, and hippocampus. All these form the limbic system, which is responsible for the emotional function of our brain. Now this is the picture of the nervous system. Brain, spinal cord are the major systems of the CNS. Then these are the ganglia, these are the nerves that are innervating whole of our body, each and every limb, each and every part of our body. Then the blue part is the peripheral nervous system, and this was brain and spinal cord. This was the CNS, the central nervous system. Now these are the various synaptic nerves that our spinal cord brings out, and these are the parasympathetic nerves. These near the coxal region, near the tailbone. These are which control the major functions of our body in each and every situation. Parasympathetic nerves control the situation by relaxing us, and this agitates us or makes us ready for the flight and fight situation. And then the human nervous system has also been divided into various nerves which supply different regions of the body, like the eyes are supplied by some different nerve, the lungs by different, and the stomach by different nerves. And the reproductive organs are also supplied by different nerves. We also have our intestine supplied by different nerves. Liver has some other nerves to work into. And then this was how the human nervous system controls our complete body. Then look at this. Our spine is the region from where each and every nerve emerges and reaches each and every organ system of our body, hence controlling our body. Now look at this. This is the cranium. Then lies the three layers of brain: dura mater, pia mater, subarachnoid, arachnoid. These are the spaces that we have. These are the gyri and the sulci in the brain. This is the longitudinal fissure. Then from here the brainstem starts into the spinal cord. This is the spinal cord from where the nerves are arising. Some are sympathetic and some are parasympathetic. They reach different regions, and they form different combinations. They also have different junctions, meeting points like these, and then they reach their specific sites of action. Now, the brain's anatomy is not something very difficult, but when doing practical, we need to be really careful about the things, and everything that we see in the diagrams is seen here also in the actual anatomy of the brain, like the thalamus, the cerebrum, the cortex, the cranium, and all those things. Then this part consists of the major controlling portion, like the hypothalamus, the pituitary are situated here. Then from here, the brain stem to the spinal cord starts. And look at this. This is one of the most beautiful diagrams we can see about the brain. Mm, this is how the brain actually looks, and this is where the spinal cord starts, or the brain stem. And then look at these. This is how the spinal cord supplies nerves to different areas of our body: the heart, the urinary system, the stomach, the tissues, the tissue systems, all that. These are some of the important diagrams of the human body. These are some of the compound cells that we have in our nervous system, and the CNS consists of the brain and the spinal cord, as you know. Then this is the suprasagittal nerve, which resides here, and some nerves are innervating the brain here also. Then we move on to the end, and yeah, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want any more videos about human body functioning or disease treatment like heart attack, please see the next video on atherosclerosis, in which the nerves that supply the heart are blocked like this, and which leads to poor blood supply to heart, leading to various dangerous conditions like heart attack, atherosclerosis. Cholesterol deposition is the major cause of this, and other information I'll be providing you in the next video. Thank you.